Okay, here's the 2012 Lexus CT200. This car was stalling in the mornings, cold mornings. It was keep giving me, a little rattle. So I was just picking around and I found out that EGR pipe supposed to have two bolts up here. One down up here, one down. And I realized, wait a minute, that's brand new. And someone forgot to put that in. Guess what happens when you're driving and the engine moves and everything? Look at this. You got like a leak or something. There you go. See that? That's the reason this thing was doing it. So all I got to do, buy two bolts from Rock Auto, get it delivered, and then hopefully fix it up. And I thought, other things, I mean, you never know, So then, this is it. So